Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove followers from the X or Twitter application. So if you want to go ahead and remove some of your followers that you have on the Twitter or X application, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and basically tap on our Twitter profile or X profile over on the top left corner. Let's tap on our profile over here and we can see our follower list right there. What we want to do is to go ahead and tap on followers over here and we should see all of the followers that we have. Now, if you want to go ahead and proceed with unfollowing or removing them, all we need to do is just tap on their usernames or tap on this option called following and then proceed with tapping on unfollow. Now, as you see, what that did is it only unfollowed them. So what we want to do, if you want to go to remove them directly, is to temporarily do a block. So tap on this 3 dots and tap on block this person to proceed with blocking this person, and I want you to proceed with undoing that block. And as you see, the follower or either them following you is not enabled already. That's how you guys could remove followers from the Twitter or X application. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one.